Hey YouTube, that's my cat. I just ordered some Trinidad scorpion chilies from Amazon. And apparently, I never knew this, but you have to have an account for Amazon. So I made an account. So I ordered Trinidad scorpion chilies, butch teas. And yeah, they're like 400,000 Scoville units hotter than a ghost pepper. So I ordered those. They'll be here like, it's Sunday, so they'll probably be here like Wednesday or on Friday. They'll be here this week. So yeah, I'm gonna have that video coming out in a couple days. Just an update to let you guys know. And quick, short, sweet update. And bye. Yeah. I thought I clicked end.